Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mugisha. Welcome if you're new here, welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm coming to you guys with a special guest. I have my brother with me.
Renee, how y'all doing?
And today we're coming to you guys with a brother tag. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And let's get into it. Alright, so the first question we're going to be answering is going to be, who's the oldest?
I'm gonna take you. I mean, most of these people know us, but
yeah, most of you guys already know us. You guys know who's older, but like, if you guys didn't know or you guys don't know, guess who's older?
you can see in my demeanor, I'm just a calm, cool, collected dude.
He's lying. I'm older. First of all, I'm gonna just put that on the table because why is he lying?
I don't do that.
So the next question is, do you or your siblings have any nicknames for each other? Nicknames. Like, I don't know why my brothers call me these nicknames, but Renee calls me either May, my older brother calls me Meredith, or Gladys. I don't understand. I don't get it. But those are my nicknames.
She be calling me Pew, Nay, Nene. Not as much.
Oh, Nay.
Nay. She calling me Nay. That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
But mostly Pew.
Yeah, I don't have that many nicknames. Like, my friends have nicknames for me and stuff, but for my siblings, those are my nicknames. Meredith and Gladys. I don't understand. Make it make sense. Alright, so the next question is, are you guys closer now or before when you guys were younger? I think we're a lot closer now, to be honest.
I think we're closer when you're younger. Mind you, when we were younger, like say a couple years ago, we used to go out and watch movies.
I thought in general.
Restaurant. You talk about like
when we were little kids compared to like now. Like,
you talk about little
from
kids.
I'm thinking like our Burundi trip, like we're really close. When I'm thinking about like when we used to go like hang out in high school and stuff like that, I still consider that pretty recent.
Oh, I consider that like a long time ago. But in general, I think that right now, recent as in a couple months, I'm really busy, and I like to keep to myself at the same time. So right now, when I was close, but I don't hate her.
We're both very private people in general. Like, we like to do things on our own. We're very independent. So, like, it's not like we like to be around people that much. I even stated in my last video, like, I'm introverted, extrovert. Like, I feel like that's all of us in a sense. We just do our own thing and then we collaborate whenever we need to. But most times, like, we just chill.
Yeah, true. But I still love her. Sometimes. She be annoying, bro. Oh, my gosh. Yo.
So, it really is exposed Mary today. So, this is what you came to do today.
I had to tell you guys the truth.
So the next question we're going to be answering is, what is your biggest pet peeve when it comes to your siblings?
You want me to go first? Go.
I'm going to go first.
She has a lot of things to say.
One thing that annoys me the most is a lot that annoys me. But when it comes to him, he likes to tap me. Like, instead of being like, hey, Mary, to catch my attention, he'll tap me first. And I tell him, like, bro, like, that is so annoying. Don't tap me. I don't like when people touch me.
I mean, it's hard. I'm a touchy-feely person for the most part, you know. What annoys me about her, she doesn't care about if I have something to do. She likes to talk to me a lot. And it's not a bad thing to talk to me, but I'll be in my zone and she'll just come to me, like I'll be in my room. And she'll just open the door and just talk to me. So it's like, yo. Alright, so the next question is, what is y'all favorite inside joke?
Mama, where are you from?
Mama, why are you from?
if you know, you know. Our cousins, Patern and Claire, you guys definitely know. Those are the only other people who would really get that joke, but where are you from?
Besides that, where are you from?
Where are you from? We're not going to go deep into that, but where are you from? Alright, so the next question is, what is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please.
So my favorite ice cream flavor is cookie dough.
Mine is like vanilla or Oreo. Those are my favorites, yeah.
Okay with it, if you know the vibes, if you know.
But cookie dough is not that good. I don't know why she likes it so much.
It is! Like, cookie dough in general is bomb. And not just ice cream. Like, cookie dough, like, it's good. Like it's the best ice cream. Bro, I started searching up ice cream. We're searching up blizzards. I might get one after this. It's that serious.
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
That's the one I always get. I normally get it with, like, brownie.
The s'mores? Next question is, who has the best sense of style?
Honestly, I feel like we both dress really well.
Sense of style. She has more
dress
clothes.
better. I have more clothes, of course.
She has more clothes, but I think we sense of style. Because I understand what goes with what. I think we're pretty equal of what goes together, what's good for us. But in terms of who has more clothes, I'll say her. She's like a shopaholic though. It's an addiction. She needs help.
Why are you exposing me? Oh, is it just expose Mary? Like, I thought we were here to do a brother tag. Why is he exposing me?
I don't cap.
He is capping though.
You literally have videos of you buying clothes and trying them on. Like, I'm not capping. Like, yo, who has the best hair?
Me.
Mary's a hair guru. At this point, like,
of course.
I'm not even gonna try to cap or anything. She's really good with hair.
Guys, follow my hair page at Mary Bay Hair. It doesn't matter if it's not my hair. I pay for it. It is mine.
It's not your real hair. Don't get confused.
Bitch! It is mine. I paid for this shit. Go suck a dick.
You didn't let me finish though. I was gonna say that's not her hair, but underneath it, she takes care of it. Looks well. No, I mean, not that much better than mine. Cause you see my
noodles.
You see my shape. But yeah, she has a better hair. She called my hair ramen noodles. Alright, so the next question is, what is one thing your sibling can do that you can't? That's what I'm saying.
You can't braid.
I think that's a prejudice statement. I can't in fact braid, and she just gendered. Cause
I didn't gender.
You just put me into a gender role.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You said you can't braid because I'm a man.
Who said that?
He's
He's my brother, and
braid.
I know he can't braid.
I can braid. Like, I know the concept and stuff, but
he knows the concept.
To sit down and do what she
braid
does.
My hair.
Come here, baby. He
can't braid.
I don't have to prove anything to anybody. I can braid. Like, yeah. What can you do? Everything. I'm just physically stronger than you, mentally stronger than you. I'm just gifted, and she cannot compare to me in any way. If someone had told me on the street, "Hey, Renee, did you know you're better than Mary?" I'd be like, "I didn't know that, but it sounds about right."
You're such a you're so fake. Like, guys, like, it really be your own people.
Nah, I'm joking.
It really, like, y'all saw, if you guys watched my last video, you guys saw his little comment on Instagram. I asked for you guys to send me your assumptions, and this one sent me that assumption. Now you see it in person. The disrespect is just real all around. All across the border.
She built like a Build-A-Bear. The next question is, who watches more TV shows?
That's probably me, because honestly, I just blow through shows like nothing. Like, I literally can watch a show within a week. Like,
I'm more the type of person, I get so bored. I have so many friends that tell me, yo, watch this show. I'm like, I bet. And like season one, after season one, I'm like, yo, I don't even want to do this anymore. That's just me though. That's just me.
I feel like for me, it's like, all right, I get recommendations. People are like, oh, you should watch it. Sometimes, like, y'all be hyping the shows. They don't even be that good. But, like, sometimes I'll watch a show, and it has to be on, like, my own timing. If I actually want to watch it, then I'll watch it. Like, if I don't feel it, like, I'll just drop the show. But most times, like, I'll end up finishing it. But it all depends on what I'm watching. But I can literally watch a show within a whole week. Like, all the seasons within a week or two.
You know a show that I did finish that someone put, I think you put me onto it, actually.
Living Single, right?
I ain't finished, bro. I'm slacking on that.
Because I just finished Shameless, and I'm rewatching. I'm almost done with it.
I think Mary told me about you.
Oh,
bro.
Like you.
That's so. It's crazy. It's not like the type of show I would like to watch, but it's like dramatic. I'm like, it intrigues me. So if I am watching a show, make sure it actually is fire. Like.
So the next question is, who are y'all favorite YouTubers?
For me, I'm not really big on certain YouTubers, right? So if I'm going on YouTube, I'm just looking at a type of video. So I like to, like Joe Rogan's podcast or any type of podcast that I like to watch podcasts, football videos, like Madden videos, 2K videos, and if I need something like cooking videos or like just lifestyle videos in general, those are the type of things I will go on YouTube for. How about you?
I stated in my last video, like, I actually have a favorite YouTuber. Yeah, so sometimes I'll go onto YouTube, like, looking for something, of course, like, you know, like, what else is YouTube used for? But I actually have a favorite YouTuber, Nella Rose. I already stated that in my last video. I absolutely love her. She's literally my favorite YouTuber.
Alright, so next question is, who is the better cook?
Me. Period.
It's not true.
Period.
It's not.
It's me.
I'm better at cooking than her.
That's a lie. I'm better at cooking.
You have your opinion, but I think we just have to have a cook-off.
Let us know if y'all want us to make a cook-off video because I really would beat him.
Alright, so the next question is, what is one personality trait that your sibling has that you wish you had? Ooh, that's hard.
Ooh. We're both very charismatic, so I can't even say like
Me, charismatic?
Cap.
I've never had that compliment before. Nah, we're all charismatic people in this household. So that's not something I wish I had from her.
What's something I'm more outgoing. I feel like I'm more reserved, and it takes a little longer for me to actually warm up to people. But I feel like he's more so like out there.
Yeah.
I can't even think of one.
I'm really thinking. It's hard. She's really wise. I would say that. Wise and brave in a sense. Like she'll fight for what she believes is right or wrong more than I will. I'm a little bit more passive than she is. She has that voice that if something's wrong and she feels it's wrong, she'll go ahead and do something about it. I like that about it. I'll take that in heartbeat.
Alright, so next we're going to be describing each other in 3 words or less. I'm going to let him go first, and then he's going to do mine.
You could say motivated / driven. She is awesome. Because you're an all-around good person, like well-rounded person. So if I'm going to describe you in 3 words, those are gonna be it. If you meet him in person, you can see really, okay, this is what he's talking about. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. 3 words. That's it.
I would say that he's strong-minded, disciplined. And very charismatic. He's one of those people that you just want to be around as well. And he makes a lot of friends easily. He knows how to carry himself in different like environments. So I've always admired that about him. So
that was way better than mine. Jesus. But yeah,
we're recording.
And then he says nothing.
Make it make sense.
I think he's just knocking just to knock. I think he's just practicing his knocking.
Aro? Tugufashi key.
He's still at the door. What do you...
Oh my god!
Knocked and then just left.
He went.
I had to tell you guys the truth. If you gotta describe, be weary.
Describe?
Let's cut that out.
Nah, that's taking a video. Why?
Nah,
for clout?
Don't do that.
For clout?
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't start. I'm older.
Nah, she's older. I'm kidding. Alright, so the next question is describe your sibling in 3 words.
I mean, doing the most to open the door.
I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. You guys don't understand the abuse.
He roasted me for like the whole.
I'm sensitive, Aubrey.
Nah,
Aubrey? Who's Aubrey? Which one of you got into the most trouble as a kid? Yo, honestly, I feel like he got in trouble because I used to tell on him for things that he didn't even do.
She thinks it's funny. You
know, it's hilarious.
Some of those things used to be traumatic. Like, I still think about those things. Like, I have nightmares because of her.
He's lying.
Don't subscribe.
Yo.